Hey everybody, Rich from Stickies RC coming at you with a video from our new home. We moved from Southern California to beautiful Tennessee, Kingsport, Tennessee to be exact, where I will be starting the new Operation 11 Charlie chapter here in Tennessee. So just wanted to take a walk around, show everybody what the new house and new property looks like. So first things first, this is the view out the front of the house. Sort of a cloudy, overcast day. We're actually expecting a little bit of rain tonight, but still an unbelievably awesome view. So way down there is our street. That is the entry, and this is our driveway. It's all the way up here, and then we get to the garage, what is technically the front of the house. So one of the cool things is we actually have a bit of forestry land that is right at the edge of our property here. These are just some empty lots that were never purchased when the original development went in, so it's mostly overgrown, but I see a lot of potential to be able to make myself a little trail through there, probably find some nice little rocks to crawl on. So we get up to the technically the back of the property. I got myself a nice little shed outside, a nice sloped area where I'm going to be able to create my own little tester crawler course along here. Looking forward to getting all of that worked in. And over here to the noisy side of the house, where our heater is currently blazing away because it is rather chilly. And back around to the front of the house, our huge maple tree. And this is another empty lot that's next to our house. And I end up blazing a little trail through there, probably clearing some of that out a little bit, since we don't expect anybody's going to be buying that anytime soon. So there's a quick walk around the new property, the Stickies RC headquarters. I want to thank everybody for hanging tight for a couple of weeks while we got our move done. It's definitely a long couple of weeks. A lot of work to be done, packing, getting movers in, getting the RV loaded up, driving the RV across country, and then finally getting here and unpacking what we had in the RV. And as of right now, we're still waiting for our movers to arrive. We expect that it's going to be another week or so. Unfortunately, our timing was not the greatest, moving right before Thanksgiving. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to tune in every Monday night over on the Operation 11 Charlie RC YouTube channel, 8 p.m. Eastern time. I will be back on the show tomorrow night, getting the studio all set up today. So yeah, don't forget to tune in, help our veterans. We'll see you soon, guys. Bye.